hello guys, welcome to this particular session of this video. Now let's be able to install and import our OS module. So in this we are going to make a basic command, which is to get our current working directory, because at times you might not know the directory that I'm definitely working on. So to do that, I just want to this is the command os dot see the get, and I'm going to be cwd. What does this do? What does this signify? You can see os dot current worker, just what this does. So let me print it out, and I'm going to show you how he was able to find my current working directory. So let me run this. You can see down here os dot printed something like built-in function. So since it's a function, we need to we put our open and close braces. So let me run that again. Okay, you can look at the current work directory that we're working on. You can see user slash PyCharm projects, my files, and then YouTube. And how was I able to find what he initial result? Let me open my let me go to, this is my PC, and then I went to this my local disk. I went to this os user. He came here to this PyCharm project. Where is that here? PyCharm project, which is this guy. I clicked on it, checked on it, main files, and then he came to this YouTube. This YouTube is where my main files are. If I go to, so this is that's where my folders and my current working directory. If I come here, you can see I'm working on this file here, and it's under this directory. Yeah, so this is what this OS module help us to do, to get the working directory. You can see on the comment, just that what you printed. Let me run it again, then bring it up. I think I have it open. You can see, like I said, user PyCharm project, my main files, and then YouTube. This was just stop in a particular folder where our file is currently on, the particular folder we're working currently on. So this is what os get current working directory does. There's still a whole lot of use of scenario when we start. We are going to do a basic project making use of this getting current working directory, and with this also useful when we want to store files. You can want to install data on a particular folder. We can make use of this. You can, let's say in a situation you want to install or want to see files in a particular folder that is in the same folder with your current working directory. You can make use of it and then trying to tweak it a little bit to get that folder that is in the same folder of your current working directory. Don't worry if you're getting it confused. When we do something, a project on it, you're going to understand it better. So I think we have come to the end of this video. Make sure to stay tuned for the next one.